Alrighty, it's a nice 75 degrees here in Texas in August, so we're doing a maintenance today. Let's get this thing all squared away. Alright, let's get this cleaned. Alright, let's get it clean. Put back together. Well. I think we're a little low on refrigerant. What do you guys think? Guess it's not so much of a maintenance anymore. Alright, the drain line's clogged up too. But I'm seeing a lot of oil in here, so we're just gonna go right here. See if this coil's leaking. I love this leak detector. I think the leak's farther back in the coil, but it's this coil that's leaking.